Sometimes in Unity, 3D character could have weird problem of collision or physics. So today I will show you my problem and its solution. Right now you see bunch of models characters in my scene. The problem is I chose to use rigid body to move them instead of character controller. But a problem occurs, and that is the character fall below even passing the ground. Like you see when I go to play mode, after a half day of thinking where the problem reside and looking for possible solution on the internet, I found the core problem could be one of two things. First, a wrong behavior of collision between 3D collider of model and the environment around it, or the rig. Second possible problem is a conflict between animation system and the physics system, like bones movement that is affected by extern force. We disable all Model E. We stay only with one to explain my approach when looking for solution. Like you see, the root motion box is unchecked, and in many scenarios, it was the problem. So let's check it. Because the black giant has the box checked and it worked fine. And for who asking what is root motion it? The mechanism that make a character move with the help of animation motion. So now let's play with it. Turned on A, and then we see the wrong behavior of going up. In Unity docs, I found that I need to check root transform in Y-axis in animation model tab because it will stop the motion of animation, the character from going up. So let's see if it's working. No result, returning to point 0. The rigid body. We have unchecked the use gravity box, by the way. If is kinematic check, the model stay still. But this workaround, I didn't like it, because I want it to be dynamic, especially when I will put explosion in the future of the game. But even it work. The gravity is important. So let's fit the capsule collider to cover all character. No positioned collider could cause problem. Even the mesh collider of ground. I uncheck the convex parameters because I hear the convex object could have weird behavior with other collider. Now when use gravity is on the problem stay E, then you will see I go automatically changing the plane on the ground to a simple big cube with a box collider. Funny thing, I find the solution just with luck. The blue wall you see was flat and testing the model in different height. One time, it fall on it and stay still. And after play, the model stays still and proud of himself with no falling. All I could say is the mesh collider didn't respond well with the models I use. It could be a rigging problem in case of humanoid for some reason. Generic was okay. But after the problem show up, don't forget, I made the tweak of interpolate from none to interpolate just in case the model move from frame to next frame so fast that will cause stuttering or the physics system not responding. So I made it